Good morning students. In this video I am going to show and tell about the social networking advantages and disadvantages. So those who are watching this video, please watch earlier video of top 10 social networking websites. For the link of this video I will give in the description box. Please watch that video also. Okay, first of all we have to know the definition of what is social networking. Okay, a social networking service, also social networking site or social media we call it, is an online platform which people use to build social networks or with other people who share similar personal or career interest like activities, backgrounds or real life connections. There is another definition also. Social networking is the grouping of individuals into specific groups. Social networking is the practice of expanding the number of one's business and our social contacts by making connection through individual. Okay, so we can share our message instantly using social networking website. So nowadays we are using social networking website to share our personal whatever may be the through social networking sites. So first one is the one can meet new people. So by the IT, social networking plays an important role in our life. So it is first one to meet is a new people in online. With the help of advanced search tools, one can find users who have the same interest he or she do, and that can be the starting point of a great friendship or relation. Many people meet online and then establish a relationship in the real life. So coming to the friends, so it has never been easier to make friends than it is right now, mainly using the social networking sites. It has become easier to make online friends. So social networking is very fast communication. Time is being stretched thinner and thinner by work, but social networking sites offer a chance to communicate in a speedy and efficient manner. Example, if you are using Twitter, it takes 20 seconds and that update reaches everyone we want it to reach in an instant manner. Okay, so nowadays if you observe some videos by using the some feedback, example you take movie or any product launch whatever it may be, the by seeing the feedback only we are taking. For example, I want to watch one movie, we will see the feedback whether it is a good movie or bad movie, what is the rate we have to give. Similarly, if you want to buy any mobile, we'll see the reviews and feedback like this. Okay, so we are using social networking to get feedback on ideas immediately or to ask questions and get answers quickly. If one is developing a product like mobile phones or that, one can bounce it off your friends and social network contacts and find out what they think about it. And answers also we are getting in real time due to this COVID-19. So in online classes also we are using the social networking websites. So easily we can ask the questions and receive answers in near real time. If one contacts know the answer, or if one is a student in touch with teachers, this can prove useful for many of us. Okay, so very important point is that social networking sites plays an important role in business. So using this website we can increase our business also. We can use the research tutors of people under 40 consult social media to check out testimonials, trustworthiness and reviews. Social networking can generate some great testimonials for your business. Social media also is a good place for advertisement. So if you have any company, you can give ads to the social media. Using that ads you can earn the money also, and you can improve your business by using the social networking websites. As we know that every coin has both head and tails. Similarly, with every advantage comes along a disadvantages. Now we are discuss about the advantages. Now I am going to tell about the what are the disadvantages of the social networking websites. So once we are addicted to social networking sites like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, so nowadays Instagram, it is near to impossible to get away from it. We keep chatting with our friends all day and night, and this is really a waste of time, especially for the students. They are going on chatting. Okay, please don't waste of time. Whatever method you are using, just use the limited of time. Okay, as we are unable to find time for any other work for studies also. Second is that if you want to register any website, social networking, we have to give our personal details. If we register to any of the social networking site, then we are bound to give our personal details to the site, and then only we are accepted as a member of the social site. But it is found that many of these social site company use our personal details like electronic mail or email ID, our address, mobile number or cell number or home number to do illegal activities. So be careful while giving the information. So you must be very careful while using this social networking websites. And third one is the very important point, harassment. It is one of the most popular disadvantage of social networking sites. If you observe many of the uh, television channels, we get all the news about this social networking harassment. Many believe that little bit fun is not harmful, but the fact is it can be really very harmful for the person who have went through it. Many of the people post awful or comments, pictures, videos of others to make them feel bad about themselves in front of the virtual world, where the whole world can watch it and can have a great laugh also. But we have to remember that such fun stuff is nothing but harassment of the person with whom it is being done. Scams, SMS and emails are quite very from genuine company, but there are many companies who are fake and are totally packed with scam jobs. So be careful such type of online jobs, though we are getting the messages that your qualification is good, so we are going to offer some lakh and lakh packages, so be very careful with that scam jobs. Such companies promote their products and service through such social networking sites, but they are doing this to trap innocent people and bag as much money as they can from them. Company seems to be very attractive, and we came across such great service and offer while we are online chatting with someone, and many people get trapped by the scams. Okay, so these are the some social networking websites. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.